Welcome to the Essential Ideas of Natural Law. In a previous video, we explored what natural law is, a centuries-old philosophical and scholarly tradition that believes all human beings are capable of reason and rational thought, and, as a result, all people, whatever their ethnicity, culture, or religion, have the ability to know the difference between good and evil, right and wrong. Since the time of Plato and the Greek philosophers, natural law has been instrumental in the development of moral, political, legal, and economic thought. And of all the thinkers, scholars, and philosophers who have contributed to the natural law tradition over the centuries, none has been more influential than Thomas Aquinas. Born in 1225 in southern Italy, Aquinas was educated at the famous Benedictine Abbey at Monte Cassino. But instead of becoming a Benedictine monk, Aquinas joined the recently formed Dominican order, which, though new at the time, was fast becoming a formidable intellectual force in medieval Europe. At the age of 20, Aquinas went to the University of Paris to study theology, where he would later be appointed Regent Master in Theology, which is the equivalent of a professor 10 years later. Between 1259 and 1268, Aquinas was back in Italy, where he taught at Naples, Orvieto, and eventually Rome. It was there that he began writing his most famous and important work, the Summa Theologiae, a teaching guide for Catholic priests. In it, Aquinas addressed critical questions such as the nature of human reason, the principles of morality, the character of justice, the origins and limits of government, and the relationship between man-made laws and natural law. For Aquinas and other natural law scholars who would follow him, the idea that all humans shared an inherent morality and could all understand what is intrinsically good and bad provided a moral restriction on the power of the state. And most critically, it created a rationale for why people were under no obligation to obey man-made laws that contradicted natural law. In 1274, Aquinas died in Italy, leaving the Summa incomplete, but having left an immense intellectual legacy amounting to more than 8.5 million written words. Aquinas remains an influential natural law scholar to this day. To learn more about natural law, visit essentialnaturallaw.org. And to learn about more essential scholars, visit essentialscholars.org.